Alright.
Pen, come here. Okay, Pen, hold mo to. And I want this i-display mo sa study room, ha? Kasi ito yung car ko. Okay. So, Jason, ilan ang pipirma ko?
Just one, it's okay.
Okay.
That's
so,
perfect.
okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much.
So, this is my copy. Or yours.
I'll be giving your copy also.
Okay, sige.
Alright.
So, okay, can I drive fast?
Of course. Congratulations on your new car.
Oh my
Definitely
God.
will enjoy it.
Yes,
You can
I'll
go
drive.
06.
Pero, so, Pen, kailangan ko ng license. Sabi ni Tim, I have to bring my license kasi we'll go on the other side. Okay, go. Get mo na lang, Pen, please. Pakitawag si Mike's pala. Kasi, guys, I will try to drive and it's been years, no? Hindi ako nag-drive. Kailangan ko na ang guardian ng professionals with me. So, I'll bring Mike's with me, ha? So, okay. Jason, give me the key.
Here's your key.
Okay,
and
thank you. I'm
congratulations.
so excited.
Congratulations.
Thank
Enjoy
you so
your new car.
much. Okay.
Yeah, I'll see you again.
I see the handsome guy. Bye,
Thank you.
Jason.
Bye.
Okay,
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you. Lincoln Code. Okay, let's go now. Where's Mike? Pen, where's my driving license? Okay, Pen. Pen. So, Pen, ganyan. License lang. Walang wallet. Can you get the wallet nga? Ito naman si Pen, no? Guys, you cannot see my license kasi mabibisin yung age ko. I'm just 28. Guys, ako talaga yan. Hindi lang ako nag-drive for so long. Pen! Oh my gosh, ang tagal. So, Pen, yung wallet. Sa bag. Okay. Oh, wow. Ang daming laman. So, guys, gusto ko ng bag raid. Kasi, guys, license lang ang laman. Oh, look, oh. Ang galing mo, Pen. Nasaan na si Mike? So, guys, okay, let's go. License lang ang dala ko. Okay, nasaan si Mike? Michael! Oh, did you see the car?
Yeah.
So nice. I'm so excited. Okay, I will test drive. Can we go to Baguio?
Okay.
Okay, let's
Wherever
go.
you want.
Wherever. Tagaytay. Oh, let's eat and okay, test drive muna.
Kaya mo, ma'am, to drive that car?
Michael, of course, I can. Okay, let's go. So, okay, Mike, ako na maglalabas ng car and okay, Francis, paki-open yung gate. Okay, and by the way, how do I open the door?
Ako kaya maglabas ng car.
Sige. Ikaw muna, Mike. Sige si
You have
Mike.
to reverse.
I have to reverse. Okay, you go. Okay, and I don't even know how to turn on. And hi, guys! Look, PJ's here and Blanca. Hello, guys. Pretty girl, ha? Did you see the car? Oh my, nice car. Hey, Blanca. We have dinner later.
Yes,
Oh, sexy girl. Okay.
You wanna come?
You wanna come? We'll test drive. Okay. Sige, let's go. Wait, Mike. I wanna start the car. So kindly sit at the back and I sit in front.
Okay.
And okay, yung camera guy, sit in front, okay? So, okay. Paano to?